Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best TV stand is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture for any modern living space, offering a sleek and organized solution for housing your television and all its accompanying media devices. Whether you're looking to elevate your home theater experience, declutter your entertainment area, or simply add a stylish focal point to your room, a well-chosen TV stand can make a significant difference in both functionality and aesthetics, transforming your viewing habits and the overall ambience of your home. Number 5. VIVO Mobile TV Cart Stand TV04M. This mobile cart is designed to hold a wide range of TV sizes, from 13 to 60 inches, and supports various types including LCD, LED, OLED, and curved screens. It can accommodate displays weighing up to 55 pounds, ensuring broad compatibility with your existing or new television. Easily move this cart where you need it with its 4 locking casters, or secure it in place for a stable viewing experience. Its robust base provides a reliable foundation, making it ideal for diverse settings like homes, offices, or event spaces. Achieve the perfect viewing angle with its adjustable screen tilt, ranging from -15 degrees to +15 degrees. The height of the mounting bracket is also adjustable, allowing you to position your screen at the optimal height for any user. Keep your essential media devices close at hand with the built-in utility shelf. It's perfect for holding DVD players, streaming devices, or other accessories, with a weight capacity of up to 10 pounds. Setting up your TV on this cart is a breeze. All necessary hardware is included, along with clear written and video instructions to ensure a fast and hassle-free installation process. What we like. This mobile TV cart offers broad compatibility for screens from 13 to 60 inches. Its sturdy base features 4 locking casters, making it easy to move or secure in place. If you need a versatile stand for various settings like trade shows or classrooms, this is a great option. Its adjustable height and tilt ensure optimal viewing angles for any audience. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It was easy to assemble and the wheels make it easy to move around. The height is adjustable, which is great for different viewing angles. Number 4. Rfiver Rolling TV Stand. This versatile stand fits most TVs from 23 to 60 inches, including curved screens and monitors. Its portable design allows you to easily move your display wherever you need it, saving space and offering flexibility. Constructed with durable all-metal parts, this stand supports up to 88 pounds securely. Safety screws provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring your valuable electronics are held firmly in place. Adjust the height for an optimal viewing experience. The included media tray is perfect for holding your accessories like laptops, gaming consoles, or streaming devices. With smooth rolling wheels and reliable brakes, moving this stand is a breeze. It's ideal for any indoor or outdoor setting, allowing you to reposition your screen with ease. Assembly is straightforward thanks to neatly organized parts and clear instructions. You'll have it set up and ready to use in no time. What we like. Built with all-metal construction, this stand is designed for strength and stability, supporting up to 88 pounds. It includes an adjustable shelf for media devices and smooth rolling wheels with decent brakes. If you're looking for a durable and portable solution for your bedroom, living room, or office, this stand offers excellent value and flexibility. What people say. The frame is almost all metal, and the pieces are thick, well-formed and accurately sized. The wheels are more than adequate. The shelf is solid enough to hold a DVD player, or 2, cable box, and miscellaneous other stuff without any strain. It rolls smoothly over tile and carpet surfaces. It is sturdy and firm. The listing says it can hold a 75-foot TV, and it can. My TV sits on it perfectly and firmly. The build quality and stability are on a completely different level. And the best thing is the merchant will give you a tool for checking balance angle, which is quite useful. Number 3. Perlegear Mobile TV Stand PGTVMC06. This mobile TV stand is designed to fit most 23 to 60 inch flat screen or curved TVs, supporting up to 88 pounds and a wide range of visa patterns. Achieve your perfect viewing angle with adjustable tilt and leveling features. You can easily customize the screen position for the best view from any seat. Easily adjust the height of your TV across 3 levels, from 56.1 to 60.4 inches. It also includes an adjustable shelf for your accessories, supporting up to 22 pounds. Move your TV effortlessly between rooms with 4 360 degrees lockable wheels. Safety locks are included to keep your TV secure when stationary. Its low-profile base allows it to be placed close to walls or behind furniture, saving valuable space. Cable management clips keep your wires tidy for a clean look. With this wheeled stand, you can easily move your television to any desired location with minimal effort, making it incredibly convenient. What we like. This rolling TV stand provides exceptional viewing customization with tilting and leveling capabilities. It features a height-adjustable shelf that can support up to 22 pounds, perfect for laptops or gaming consoles. If you prioritize a personalized viewing experience and a tidy setup, its space-saving design and cable management make it an excellent choice for any room. What people say. Tilts well, stand has locking wheels, it seems sturdy though. The design was perfect for it, the cart moves very easy and the adjustable height was a plus, took me maybe 20 minutes to put together and it's very sturdy holding a 50-inch TV. It has interlocking parts in the pole that make it very sturdy, and the base is heavy-duty metal. The design also seems to make the stand safer. It is not likely to fall over, even around clumsy people like me. It has wheels. They are great on a tile floor. I can wheel the TV around to clean, which is a big deal. Number 2. BONTEC Rolling TV Stand for 23 to 65-inch TVs. This stand offers broad compatibility, fitting most 23 to 65-inch TVs. It supports various VISA patterns and weights, ensuring a secure fit for many brands and models in any setting. Built with heavy-duty steel, it provides a stable and durable base. Additional safety features ensure it remains steady, even in busy environments. Customize your viewing experience with adjustable height for the mount and shelf. Integrated cable management keeps your setup tidy and organized. An adjustable shelf is perfect for holding laptops, gaming consoles, or other accessories. It's easy to clean, maintaining a neat appearance. Effortlessly move it between rooms with smooth wheels, and lock it securely in place when needed. It offers more flexibility than fixed mounts. Ideal for home, office, schools, hotels, or events. This rolling stand adapts easily to multiple spaces, providing a convenient alternative to wall mounting. What we like. Offering broad compatibility for TVs up to 65 inches and 88 pounds, this stand is built from heavy-duty steel for long-lasting durability. Its integrated cable management system keeps wires neat and organized. If you need a reliable and adaptable solution for home, office, school, or commercial settings, this rolling TV stand provides flexibility and a clean look. What people say. The wheels are a great touch and allow me to move it from room to room easily. The TV is at a perfect angle and it has safety clips so the TV stays in place. It has a spot for cables which I hadn't used yet in the photo but now have in its perfection. Having the ability to move the TV around on the wheeled stand really matches my needs and I have no worries that it will tip over. I purchased this model because it has 3 adjustments, height, swivel left and right as well as a small degree of tilt. Works very well as advertised. It's easy to move, and the shelf for holding the computer is also quite sturdy. Number 1. Rfiver Rolling TV Stand with Shelf. Easily adjust the height and tilt of your TV for the perfect viewing angle, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. It adapts to your preferences for an immersive experience. Built with high-strength alloy steel, this stand securely holds up to 88 pounds, offering superior stability and load-bearing capacity. Safety screws provide extra protection for your TV. Our movable stand features 4 noise-reducing casters for quiet movement. Lock the wheels in place after positioning for stability, adapting effortlessly to your lifestyle. The dual base leg design allows it to be positioned closer to walls, making it ideal for apartments or tight spaces. It occupies minimal floor area and blends seamlessly with your furniture. Keep your space neat with the integrated cable management system that secures messy wires. Enjoy a clutter-free environment with this functional design. This stand fits most 23 to 65-inch TVs and supports VISA patterns up to 400 by 400 mm. It's easy to assemble in just 20 minutes, ready to enhance your viewing experience. What we like. Experience ultra-strong stability with this TV stand, built from high-strength alloy steel to support up to 88 pounds. It features noise-reducing casters for smooth, silent movement and easy assembly in under 20 minutes. If you value a quiet environment and effortless mobility for your home office, kitchen, or living room, this stand is designed to adapt to your lifestyle. What people say. Easy to assemble, very sturdy, and rolls smoothly with locking wheels for stability. The shelf is perfect for accessories, and the adjustable height makes it versatile for any setup. Every tool is needed, every component is labeled. Excellent instruction manual. Very sturdy and made of high-quality thick metal. Easy to put together and easy to move. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.